Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a detailed unboxing of the RadioMaster TX12 Mark II compact transmitter. Years ago, RadioMaster aimed to create the best compact transmitter in its class, and the TX12 series gradually became the preferred choice for users seeking powerful, stable, and open-source compatible devices. The TX12 Mark II brings systematic upgrades in hardware platform, software system, and ergonomic design. Opening the packaging, you can see the TX12 Mark II main unit. The transmitter measures 170 million 159 108 millimeters and weighs approximately 412.8 g, maintaining its compact and lightweight design, making it convenient for transport and outdoor use. In terms of appearance and structure, the upgrade features a redesigned rear shell and improved ergonomic grip for a more comfortable and natural hold. The S1 and S2 slider grips have been refined for smoother and more precise control. On the core hardware side, the mainboard MCU has been upgraded from STM32F207 to STM32F407, enhancing overall processing performance and system capabilities. It comes with a high-precision Hall effect gimbal, using the same chipset as the AG01, with optimized Hall sensor circuitry for improved center point accuracy and temperature stability, resulting in smoother and more precise control. The RF system offers both Express LRS and CC2500 versions, operating at 2.400 GHz, 2.480 GHz, with up to 16 channels supported. The ERS version supports Express LRS backpack functionality and BLE Bluetooth joystick mode, allowing connection to computers, tablets, or phones for simulator and game use. Both FCC standard and EU LBT versions are available to meet regional compliance requirements. The TX12 MKII comes pre-installed with the EdgeTX operating system. RadioMaster collaborates closely with the EdgeTX team to continuously optimize user experience and support open-source standards. The device can be upgraded via USB, SD card, EdgeTX Buddy online tool, or EdgeTX companion PC software. It also supports USB simulator functionality for convenient connection to computers for flight training. The power system has been upgraded to support USB-C QC 3.0 fast charging. Operating voltage ranges from 6.6 to 8.4 V, with a working current of 320 mA at 8.4 V, or 180 mA at 8.4 V. The package includes an SD card, and both M1 and M2 mode versions are available. USB-C charging supports batteries with a nominal voltage of 3.7 V and a maximum charging voltage of 4.2 V. The large capacity battery bay accommodates either two 18,650 or two 21,700 Li-ion batteries, or a 2S7.4 V LiPo battery. The display features a 12,864 monochrome LCD screen, providing a clear and intuitive interface for daily model setup and system operations. It supports JR-FR Sky Crossfire external module expansion. The box includes TX12 MK, then USB-C data cable, antenna dust cap, screen protector, Overall, the TX12 Mark II brings comprehensive upgrades in processor, Hall-effect gimbal, power and charging system, and ergonomic design, while maintaining a compact and lightweight profile. For users seeking open-source compatibility, expandability, and portability, it is a compact transmitter worth considering. This concludes the unboxing of the RadioMaster TX12 Mark II. Thank you for watching. This is the World Drone Market channel, and see you in the next video.